Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to control who sees your Facebook stories. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure that only your friends can view your stories. This is especially useful if you want to keep your content private and exclusive to those you trust. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll see your news feed. To start creating a story, tap on the Create Story button at the top of your screen. This will take you to the camera view where you can capture a photo or record a video. You can also upload content from your gallery by tapping on the album icon at the bottom left. Now, let's focus on setting the privacy for your story. Before you share it, you need to decide who can see it. To do this, look for the Story Settings icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on this icon to access the privacy settings. In the privacy settings, you'll see several options: Public, Friends, Custom, and Hide Story From. For this tutorial, we want to select Friends so that only your friends can view your story. Tap on Friends to choose this option. Once you've selected Friends, confirm your choice by tapping on Save or Done, depending on your device. This ensures that your story will only be visible to those in your friends list. Finally, tap on Share to post your story. Now, your story is live and can be seen by all your friends on Facebook. This method is straightforward and gives you complete control over who gets to see your content. By following these steps, you can maintain privacy and exclusivity for your Facebook stories, ensuring they're only shared with those you intend to see them. This feature is especially useful for keeping your personal life separate from your professional or public persona on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you manage your Facebook story privacy with ease.